this video, we are going to discuss about changes around us. In particular, we are going to talk about reversible and irreversible changes. So let us first try and understand what is meant by a reversible change and what is meant by an irreversible change. So when we say a reversible change, it means a change which can be reversed. So reversible changes are the changes which can be reversed, whereas irreversible changes are the changes which cannot be reversed. So if a change can be reversed, we can call it as reversible, and if it cannot be reversed, we can call it as irreversible. Let us try and understand this with the help of some experiments. The materials we'll be requiring for this are some balloons, some pieces of paper, just like this one, and a pack of clay, something like this. So let's get started and see what we observe in the experiments that follow. This is an inflated balloon in my hand. If I release it from the bottom, the air goes out. So do I get my original balloon back? So what would you say? Is this reversible or is this irreversible? Yes, this is reversible because we started with this balloon and at the end of the experiment we have got the balloon back. On the other hand, if I pop this balloon, I have a balloon and I just pop it. So what was this? Can you get back the original balloon? Of course not. So that is irreversible. Similarly, if I fold this piece of paper into any shape, for instance, I fold it up and I make an aeroplane out of it. So what would you say? Reversible or irreversible? Can you get the original piece of paper back? So yes, this is reversible. But what if I cut this paper into strips? Can you get the original paper back? No, you can't. And that is why cutting of paper is going to be an irreversible change. Now let us check with clay. So I have this clay with me. This is the clay I have, and if I take a piece of this, I can mold it into any shape I want. I can roll it up into a ball, or I can make any other shape with it. But is it that if once I make a ball out of it, it will remain like this only? No, I can remold it. I can give it any other shape I want. I can turn it into a cylinder. I can turn it into a block. I can give any desired shape to this small piece of clay. So this is again one example of a reversible change. So you have many more examples around you. Look for them and list them down in your notebooks.